Construction linen seams. French seam. Place the garment details with their wrong sides together and sew a seam 3 to 5 millimeters wide. Fold the fabric so the right sides are together with the seam line exactly on the edge. Stitch a second seam at 5 to 7 millimeters distance from the fold to enclose the raw edge within the seam. French seam is perfectly suited for fabrics that are sheer or prone to fraying. Flat felled seam. Place your fabric right sides together and trim one of the seam allowances to 5 millimeters. Stitch the pieces with a plain seam. Fold the seam allowances to one side so the smaller one is underneath. Turn the bigger allowance under and stitch again close to the folded edge at 1 to 2 millimeters distance. The seam width varies from 7 millimeters to 1 centimeter. Flat felled seam is used in sewing linen and garments made from denim or lightweight fabrics without lining. Counter seam. Counter seam resembles the look of a flat felled seam, but has a slightly different construction. First, you sew an open lapped seam. Then, one piece of fabric is turned down on the right side, while the other is turned upwards on the wrong side to interlock the seam allowances. Stitch along the folded edges. Counter seam is extremely durable and most suitable for garments that require strong, hard-wearing seams.